The #1 selling impact driver at Home Depot right now costs $179. A $70 tool from Harbor Freight just beat it. Not on one test, on overall score, in an 8-brand head-to-head. That's #5 on this list, and it gets worse from here. Nobody pays attention to who actually owns these brands. 2 corporations split Home Depot's entire power tool wall between them like a territory map. TTI, a Hong Kong conglomerate, owns Milwaukee, Ryobi, and Ridgid. Stanley Black+Decker, out of Connecticut, owns DeWalt, Craftsman, and Black+Decker. Different logos, different price tags. Same factories in Vietnam and China. I pulled the test data on 5 of the most pushed tools on that wall, and the numbers don't match the prices. By the end of this video, you'll know the 5 tools with the worst price-to-performance ratio at Home Depot right now, what to buy instead for roughly half, and the ownership trick that explains why so many of these brands feel different than they used to. #5, the Milwaukee M18 FUEL 1/4-inch impact driver, model 295320, $179 at Home Depot. Tool only, no battery, no charger, just the driver in a box. You've probably held this one. Red and black housing, says FUEL on the side, which is Milwaukee's way of telling you this is their top tier, and for a long time, it earned that label. But Torque Test Channel ran an 8-brand impact driver shootout. Milwaukee, DeWalt, Flex, Cobalt, and the $69.99 Harbor Freight Hercules. Model HCB81B, the Hercules beat Milwaukee on max working torque, beat it on max forward torque, and beat it on overall composite score. It didn't just edge out Milwaukee, it topped every single brand in the test. DeWalt, Flex, Cobalt, every one of them. Now Milwaukee did win on breakaway torque and torque density by exactly 1 foot-pound. So this isn't a clean sweep. But on the metrics that actually matter, when you're sinking screws and driving lag bolts into real lumber, the $70 tool won. That's $109 for a red sticker and a longer warranty. Your call. #4, the DeWalt Atomic 20-volt Max Impact Driver, DCF 850B, $169 at Home Depot. Tool only. DeWalt specs this at 1,825 inch-pounds of torque and 3,250 RPM. Sounds solid on paper. Philly Fixed ran it head-to-head against that same Hercules. The Hercules drove 3 3.5-inch deck screws about half a second faster, 6-inch lag screws into PVC decking, 1.4 seconds faster. Same $70 tool. I want you to sit with that for a second. One impact driver from Harbor Freight, $69.99, just outperformed the 2 most expensive impact drivers on the wall at Home Depot. Combined savings if you skip both and buy the Hercules instead. Over $200 on one category. And here's where it connects. Milwaukee and DeWalt aren't really competitors. TTI gets the red side of the aisle. Stanley Black and Decker gets the yellow side. Different color, different marketing budget, same pricing philosophy. And the test data says neither of them is earning that premium right now. Drop the one that surprised you most in the comments. I'll be in there. If you've made it this far, subscribe. I pull test data like this every single week, and the list never gets shorter. You just watched a $70 tool beat a $179 one. Now imagine that same markup on a riding mower or a chainsaw. That's not a $200 mistake anymore. That's $2,000. I built the no BS buyer's vault because I got tired of watching people walk into that blind. Every mower, chainsaw, generator, and pressure washer ranked by the one spec they don't print on the price tag. $19.99. Scan the QR code on screen or check the link in the pinned comment. #3. The Milwaukee M18 FUEL Oscillating Multi-Tool. Model 2836-20, $249. Tool only. Toolbox Buzz tested 10 cordless oscillating multi-tools head-to-head. And the biggest upset in the entire test was the Ryobi ONE HP brushless. Model PBLMT, $51.99 at Home Depot with a blade set. The Ryobi nearly dethroned the entire field on cutting performance. And here's the detail that explains everything. Milwaukee and Ryobi are both owned by TTI, same parent company, same engineering teams, same overseas factories. You're paying $150 more for the word Milwaukee on the housing instead of the word Ryobi. Same factory, same assembly line, different sticker. That's not a pricing mistake, that's a business model. Number 2, the DeWalt 20-volt XR cordless blower, DCBL 724B, $199 at Home Depot, tool only, factory rated at 133 miles per hour and 550 CFM. Project Farm tested it against the Harbor Freight Atlas 80-volt brushless blower, item number 506994, $74.99 at Harbor Freight. The Atlas beat the DeWalt 20-volt in every single power test. Airspeed, cubic feet per minute, wood chip removal, leaf blowing speed, every test. But here's the part that actually stops you. Project Farm also tested the DeWalt 60-volt model, which costs over $350. The Atlas beat that one too. A $75 blower from Harbor Freight outperformed a $350 DeWalt, on camera, with measurements. The receipts are public. Number 1. The tool you're overpaying the most for. DeWalt and Milwaukee hammer drills. $250 to $279 at Home Depot depending on the kit. Project Farm tested 11 brands in their 2025 drill showdown. Milwaukee, DeWalt, Makita, Flex, Ryobi, Craftsman, Hercules, Ridgid, Skill, Chemo, DCK. They tested torque, clutch efficiency, max RPM, chuck grip, lag bolt speed, and hammer performance. Neither DeWalt nor Milwaukee won. The overall winner was the Flex 24-volt Turbo. Same price bracket, but it earned the score that Milwaukee and DeWalt are charging for. The real story, though, is the Chemo 20-volt brushless, $38 to $57 on Amazon, depending on the configuration. It ranked above its price class in every category that matters to a homeowner. A drill that costs less than a decent dinner just embarrassed $279 flagships from both major brands. And I'm not making that up. The test data is on YouTube. The results are on Project Farm's website. Go look. So here's your buy list. The Hercules HCB 81B at Harbor Freight for impact driving. $69.99. The Ryobi ONE HP oscillating multi-tool at Home Depot. $99. The Atlas 80-volt blower at Harbor Freight. $74.99. And for drilling, either the Flex Turbo at Lowe's for top-of-the-line performance, or the Chemo on Amazon if you want the budget pick that embarrassed everyone. Honest caveat. Shorter warranties on every one of these. Hercules gets 1 year versus Milwaukee's 5. Smaller battery ecosystems. And if you're already deep into Milwaukee's M18 platform with 5 batteries on the shelf, don't switch over $100. These picks are for the guy in the aisle right now, deciding where to start, not the guy who already committed. But here's what you take away even if you don't buy a single thing on this list. 2 companies own that tool aisle. They set the prices, they choose which products get the end cap display, and they're counting on you to grab the most expensive option because the color matches your other batteries. The test data doesn't care about brand loyalty. Torque numbers don't care what color the housing is. And a $70 impact driver just beat a $179 one in a controlled test. That's not a marketing opinion, that's arithmetic. Next week I'm going inside the plumbing aisle, faucets, supply lines, and shut-off valves. And what I found about who actually makes the $49 Glacier Bay versus the $250 Moen is going to make this list look like a warm-up. YouTube thinks you'll like one of these 2 videos. So tap one, and if you made it to the end, you already know this channel is worth a subscribe.